Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublai phi baro kinigilong ki khubor bam takasni. Ka Sorkar India ka Bhtah ka Sorkar Jylla ban bishar thamai biang ye ka jingterwa ban pen impat sa shisien ki artylli ki wa ba jakhlia tam ka Jylla ka wa umkhra bat sherpi pen sngo menteri rangba. Menteri Rangba Konrad Kisang Mahadin ke Jingbu Maunong Rem ya kawa umkra Riverfront Development Project ba live khandai klur tingka menne ka sngi balang. Ka jingpen itenat ba jing sumari ki wa ki don arbenta benrap Konrad ba ka Sorkar Klayatri Langbha ba ka Ministry of Water Resources. Ka project kadang ya nyiru nginang penkre ya ka project ka ban kentum ya ka jingpen khut ya kawa umkra bat sherpi ka bladon kampalat ulaong. Na kaliang ka Sorkar kaladon ka jing show bajan kot ya ka live khandai klur tingka na ka benta ka project bat benrap ba ka Sorkar kan sapelat no ya ki tenda hapo ka shitayo lane ship hosngi. Menteri Rangba ula Bhtah yu Deputy Commissioner ban penbet ya ka tarik ha ka ban pelong ya ka jing penkuch nong tang mar sinkut ka dorbar mang tingka.
Shillong is a historic city, a city which has been the capital for the eastern region even before independence, in the undivided Assam, and today is the capital city of our beautiful state. We have not seen the kind of growth that Shillong city deserves, and especially the people of Shillong city deserve in the many years. With the kind of urbanization that's taking place in terms of the population that is coming into Shillong, especially from rural areas, we do have a large number of challenges when it comes to amenities, facilities, and obviously congestion in this city of Shillong. We will try to make a difference, but there will be numerous challenges, and the challenges are very high. And in some cases, we actually may not be able to get the kind of results that we want in the specified time. And with that note, not a negative note I should say, but a note where we should be realistic in how we approach things, we have decided in our minds and in the policies that we're doing that we need to start somewhere. If we keep looking at the challenges, if we keep looking at the difficulties and we say, well, it doesn't look like it's going to be possible, I don't think we're going to get anywhere. So, the positive side is, we have decided that we're going to start doing something about it. And for that, we need your support and your cooperation. And as mentioned by both our leaders who spoke before me, that this is only possible if all of us work together, cooperate with each other. Yes, there will be challenges, and you will always find many things to say about, oh, why this and why not this. But the point is, we have to start somewhere. And as I said, you can be working with us as a team to support and make sure that we work with the target of actually achieving the different goals that we have, so that we are able to make Shillong great in terms of its overall beauty and also in terms of the overall infrastructure and the facilities that are there.
A loud round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you to all the
fair society. Next we have Darbar Shillong, Lavali Pullum. Next we have Darbar Shillong, local Darbar Timmeo. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, can you give a big round of applause for all our beneficiaries here? Next is RR Colony Welfare Society General, Mokhar Darbar Shnong, Jaya Puding Local Darbar, Darbar Shnong Nong Kriam, Darbar Dong Dum Dum, Darbar Shnong Ratsam Kia,
Tong long no, we can't, what we learn. We can't do. Kada kiwai city kila. Balengim la. Na do bol bodo bujubu jingklinga masa barang. What you have done in the smart city project?
The Darbar Shnongs that are not present here today, we request them to trees.